Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin POC One assembly type mini ITX PC case with aluminium and acrylic panel. So friend, InWin has introduced the POC One, an assembly type mini PC type case made with aluminium and frosted acrylic panel and is available in black and silver color options. So friend, is priced around approximately 270 USD, and this PC case is designed for users seeking a compact and sturdy solution for their mini ITX build, combining visual appeal with practical design. And the case features 3 mm thick aluminum and frosted acrylic panels that are easy to assemble, and the panels are pre-corrected and folded, allowing user to set of the case by unfolding and securing them with screw, and the design simplify the assembly process, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced builder. And the case support one 120 mm side fan and two 120 mm fans at the rear, ensuring effective airflow to component cool, and it can also accommodate a 240 mm radiator at the rear for improved cooling performance. And the case include one 2.5-inch driveway and three expansion slots, providing flexibility for adding storage and additional component. And it supports graphics card up to 335 mm in length, CPU cooler up to 140 mm in height, and power supply up to 160 mm in depth, making it compatible with wide range of hardware. In terms of connectivity, two USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.2 Generation one type A port, and HD audio combo jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.